What's going on, guys? You Ottawa Scotty here. Today's a big day. We're going to start the motorhome for the first time since starting this smog pump removal project. We've done a lot of work. We're going to see if the exhaust manifolds are in fact airtight and whether or not we've solved the problem. So I'm pretty nervous for this. It's pretty big moment, I'd say. We've got, let's see, all the new parts we have. We got a new starter motor, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, new distributor, new rotor, what else? New air filter, new belts. I'm sure there's some other things in there too, plus all the work we did on the exhaust manifolds and welding those up and you know, just all of that. Yeah, right now is the moment. We're going to start her up and see if we fixed the problem. It's been a while since she's ran. I have no idea what's going to happen. So stay with us here. I'm just going to hook up the battery. I've got the battery all charged up and ready to go. So stick around. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, I have a fire in here. God damn, what the hell? I thought that was supposed to be header paint. Shit, that got hot pretty quick, eh? Man. That ain't no good. Shit was supposed to be header paint. That's really weird. That is marketed as a very high temperature paint, which I don't really know what's going on here. It got hot real quick. Wow. Jesus. Runs good though. I don't really know what to do here. We're gonna have to close this engine bay up and burn all that paint off, I guess. running. Really the paint burning off there is really the only issue, as you can see. Right here. It sounds pretty. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's just one little area on this side. Other than that, seems pretty good. Okay guys, you sounded pretty good. Running pretty smooth. A lot better than it used to. That sort of metal ticking noise you're hearing is the fan in front. I should probably replace that next. The fan clutch. The starter motor doesn't work too well, and there are a couple exhaust leaks, but right at the collector, all of the exhaust, the manifolds where it meets the engine, those are not leaking anymore. So I'd chalk that up as a success. So what I'm going to do is I've actually some guys down the road that do hot rods and stuff, and I'm actually going to take, once I get the wheels back on and a few other small little things, I'm actually going to take her down there, and I'm going to have them weld up some proper collectors, just because I don't think I can do that myself. But anyways, she's running really nice. The new wires and plugs and everything, really, she's purring like a kitten. So I might put the old starter back into it. Not sure yet, but we'll have to see. Put the old starter back in her. Don't like that new one too much. Okay guys, I think that's successful. The exhaust manifolds don't leak. The engine still runs without the smog pump. There are some small adjustments to be made, as expected. The collector pipes are not mating well with the main exhaust lines, so I'm gonna have to dial that in a little bit. And I was fully expecting that might leak, because I was it didn't really mate up real nice. So I've got to just adjust that. The starter motor doesn't work too well, so I'll have to adjust that as well. So, but no big deal. What I wanted to accomplish was accomplished, and I'm happy. I'm happy. Those other little details, I can fix that, no problem. Especially now that everything's got new fasteners and everything like that. There's that little bit of a sketchy time there where the paint started burning off the manifolds, but it's a false alarm. But everything's nice and tight, and the engine runs real nice. So yeah, I'm happy. I think that's going to wrap up the series of the smog pump removal, and let's end this video series off with a look at some of the parts that I did take off the motorhome. So let's have a look here. Okay, let's see what we got here. All kinds of tubing. We'll hold on to that just in case we need that. Oh, we got all these spark plug wires. Replaced all those. These are all rotten. This here is a diverter valve. Not sure if it's vacuum or electronically operated, but that's what this looks like. There's two of those for each side. So we took those off, and of course, all this tubing. Here's for the carburetor heat, or the heat stove. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to hook that up again. I'm going to try and see if maybe I could get that working again, because that was actually pretty beneficial. Got the canister, or the air filter for the air pump, so no longer need that. So we got a couple fasteners here, and of course the air pumps themselves, which are pretty crusty. Oh, look at all the junk coming out of that. I don't know if you can see that. Whew. Brutal, brutal. Absolutely awful. Horrible. Here's the other one. Yes, this one I need to. Oh, this one's no better. Good to get these off the engine. It's only a matter of time before these seize up and burn out a belt. So yeah, folks, there you have it. The remains of the smog pump system, air pump system, there, successfully removed off the motorhome. Never to see another day. Okay guys, so at this point I've got some other things I gotta get to here. I gotta get to winterizing my jet skis. I got to do some work, roof on the work for the motorhome, and some adjustments to the work I've already done. So anyways, I'm gonna end the video series here. I think it was a big success getting this smog pump off. Just gotta fix those small little leaks in the collector, where the collector meets the main exhaust line, but other than that, it's nice and airtight and runs really nice, so I'm happy. So thanks for sticking with me through this video series. It's been a doozy, and stay tuned to my channel. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more RV work coming in the future, and like I said, I got to get up there and fix the roof. Got some die core we're going to use for that. Anyways, it's a whole other video. Thanks again guys for sticking with this video series. It's been a long haul, and stick around my channel. Some great things are going to be happening with this motorhome, so we'll see you soon. Yeah.